This is the Poiseuilles Law Interactive Calculator, which solves for flow parameters in cylindrical pipes using the Hagen-Poiseuille equation. The calculator has a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate flow rate Q, calculate pressure drop delta P, calculate pipe radius R, calculate pipe length L, calculate dynamic viscosity ETA, and calculate average velocity V. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate flow rate Q. The input fields are pressure drop delta P in pascals, pipe radius R in meters, pipe length L in meters, dynamic viscosity ET in Pascal seconds, and flow rate Q in cubic meters per second. Let's work through an example. With pressure drop delta P at 50,000 pascals, pipe radius R at 0.005 meters, pipe length L at 2.5 meters, and dynamic viscosity ETA at 0.001 Pascal seconds, clicking Calculate gives us our results. The flow rate Q is 4.9087 times 10 to the negative 3 cubic meters per second, or 4.9087 liters per second. The average velocity V is 62.5 meters per second. The Reynolds number Re is 24,993.7. The flow regime shows turbulent with Reynolds number greater than or equal to 4,000, meaning Poiseuille's law is not valid for these conditions. Find the link in the description below.